In this video, we'll show you how to set the controller online in our Titan Vsaxess desktop software. First, ensure the controller is connected to the main switch. In the left menu, go to Network Controller, select the controller, and check the IP address. By default, the IP address is 192.168.0.245, and the default gateway should be 192.168.0.1. Open the command prompt by pressing Windows key plus R, typing CMD, and pressing Enter. In the command prompt, type ipconfig and press Enter. Under the Ethernet adapter section, check the IPv4 address. In this example, it's 192.168.0.13. Since the controller's IP is on the 192.168.0.13 network segment, you'll want to keep it set to 192.168.0.245 for compatibility. To test the connection to the controller, type ping 192.168.0.245 and press Enter. If you don't receive a ping, you may need to adjust the controller's IP address to match your IPv4 segment. Return to Titan Vsaxess, go to Controller, and right-click on the empty space in the controller list. Select Add Controller automatically, choose the controller, and click OK. Now, select the controller and change the name. In this example, we'll use 4ETL to match the model Vsaxess 4ETL2. Then set the door quantity to 4. Confirm the IP address is correctly set to 192.168.0.245, click Save, and then OK. Finally, right-click on the controller and select Detect Controller. Under the task report, you should see a confirmation that the controller is connected.